Hey Stampers, welcome to Snowberry Stampers. Today I wanted to do a quick little card using the new stamp set Free as a Bird. So let me show you this card. Really very simple and easy. I'm doing a display board for Free as a Bird, and I needed to come up with some cards fairly quickly. So let me show you how easy this is to put together. First, you need a piece of crumb cake, and this is 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. That's the base of the card. We have a piece of Whisper White at 4 by 5 1/4 for the inside. We have a piece of Rococo Rose, which is a new in color, and this is cut at 5 1/4 by 4. And then the stamping piece is going to be 5 by 3 3/4. Now on the sample, to make these splotches, I must admit I used a retired stamp set, which is Gorgeous Grunge. But there are quite a few stamp sets in the new catalog that you can use instead. So I'll just give you a couple of examples. On page 51, you've got the Modern Heart. You've got this ink splotch that you can use. On page 123, I thought it would be really pretty with these flowers as Beautiful from Beautiful Friendship. I think that would be a great background. And then 135 is Tasteful Textures. You can use a couple of these as your background, or you can just take an aqua painter and your ink and make smudges in the background. Colors that I've used, and I've gotten the colors off of the Color Coach. I've used Rococo Rose, Petal Pink, and Crumb Cake as my ink colors. So what I'm going to do, let's just ink this up. And clean it off really well. And then we'll go to Petal Pink. And I'm just going to tilt it a little bit differently. All right. And last but not least, we've got Rococo Rose. All right. That's that. And now we're going to take the large bird stamp from Free as a Bird, and I'm using soft suede, and I'm just going to ink that up. Stamp it right over the splotches. And there you go. So for a greeting, I went ahead and I did that up here. We're the best of friends. And I had a little oops. So now you know why I brought in pearls. All right, so we've got our basic pearls, and I'm going to take a couple of different sizes to distract you from the oopses, and then a few of them in the center of the flowers. And I'm using my Take Your Pick tool. Makes it really easy. All right. Now we need the inside piece while we've got the soft suede open. And I'm just going to stamp the bird. And thanks for being you. Okay. G gun. And I'm not going to color the bird on the inside, although you very easily could with blends. I'm trying to keep this card simple. And then I've taken a piece of our new ribbon in Rococo Rose. It is called the Scalloped Linen Ribbon, which is really very beautiful. And I've put adhesive on just the ends so that I can just wrap it around the back. I'll take my adhesive and put that down on the Rococo Rose. Simple, simple. Adhesive again. And put that on the crumb cake. And then just for a little bit more interest, I've taken one of our bird ballad trinkets and a glue dot. And on the original sample, I put the flower trinket. And on this one, I think I'm going to put, and I just put a little glue dot right on the ribbon. And I'm going to take the little bow. And there you go. 2 sweet, very simple, very quick and easy cards. If you have any questions, let me know. And otherwise, give me a thumbs up and let me know you enjoyed this card. And I'll see you again soon. Happy stamping!